Hi, my dear children. A healthy and warm good morning to one and all. How is it going? Good? The former president of South Africa, Nelson Mandela, has told, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. What it means? Education. We need education that we can use to change the world. Yes, of course, you can change that. You can use and change the world. Okay, children, let us move to our class. In the previous class, we have learned the question answers of lesson 2 and other words. Today, we will learn the grammar part of this lesson. Do you know which is that? It is articles. A-R-T-I-C-L-E-S. Articles. When you hear grammar, you will think that what? Oh, grammar, it is difficult. Nothing is like that. Grammar part is very easy, but you have to listen very carefully. So here is the video that you listen very carefully. Okay, children?
Articles A and the. Articles are the words that are used before noun. We use a or an when we speak of someone or something for the first time. That is articles. A is used before a word that begins with a consonant. Consonant letters are here B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. For examples, listen. B, a ball. B is a consonant. C is a consonant. We use a. A dog. D is a consonant. We use a. Fish. F is a consonant. We use a. A goat. A hen. Then a joker. J is a consonant. We use a. Then a lollipop. L is consonant. We use a. Monkey. A is used there. Then nest. N is a consonant letter. We use a. Then a pen. An is used before a word that begins with a vowel sound. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Okay? An is used before a word that begins with a vowel sound. An apple, an eagle. Okay? Then an ice cream. I is a vowel. An orange. O is a vowel. An umbrella. U is a vowel. Okay? So we use an for these words. Articles a and an used to introduce a singular noun only for one. Now next one, the. Article the is used when we talk about the same noun the second time. Listen here. Peter jumped out of a window. That is the first sentence. Underlined word is window. The window was too small for Mr. McGregor. Window repeated in the next sentence, so we use the window. Okay, children? Now, articles the is also used to introduce plural nouns. For plural nouns, we use the. The bicycles, the elephants. Okay? Next, the is used when there is only one such thing. The moon is shining brightly tonight. Moon. The sun rises in the east. Sun. Moon and sun. Only one moon and one sun is there in the world. Okay. Next, the is used when it is clear to the reader or the listener who or what we are talking about. The dancer has started dancing. The principal addressed the assembly. The dancer has started. Who started the dancing? Dancer. Who addressed? principle. The is used before some proper nouns such as the names of oceans, rivers, holy books, and mountain ranges. The Indian Ocean. We use the. Next, the river Ganga. It's the name of a river. So we use the. The Holy Quran. The Holy Quran, Holy Book. The Bible we use. The Himalayas. Himalaya, a name of mountain.
Children, did you understand the use of articles a, and the? Okay, it's very simple. When do we use a? Before a word that begins with consonant. Consonant letters, you already listened that. What it is? Except vowels. Vowels are 5. A, E, I, O, U. Without these, letters are consonants. Which are them? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. When these letters are in the first letter of a word, we have to use A. Examples also, you have listened there many examples. A dog, D is the consonant. Okay. Bed, a bed, B. A house, H is consonant. That should be, the word should be, the noun should be one or singular. Then we can use a. This both a and we use for singular nouns. Okay. When do we use an? Okay, see. For example, this one. A pen. A home. H, P. These are the consonant letters, so we have to use only one. We have to use a. And here also a. Then when do we use an? And we use with a vowel sound. Vowel sound. When it comes, these 5 vowels are coming before first of a word, we use an. An. Onion. Okay, an onion, an orange, an eagle, an elephant, an inkpot. So we have to listen the first letter of the word. If it is vowel sound, we have to use an. Okay, some exception cases are there. For example, our. See, the first letter is H. H it is. It is a consonant. But we should not write there a. What we want? An. Why do you know? This H is silent. We should not read this one hover. It is not hover. Our. This sound. Okay? So, we have to use an. And what? Not honest, it is honest. So H is silent here. We can't use A before honest. What we want to use? An. Okay, children? Like this, many exception cases are there. You will learn in the higher classes. Okay. And next one is the. When do we use the? Yeah. When the word is repeating for next time, second time. That time we use the. For example, here. A bird is sitting on a branch. Okay, that's sentence is finished. Again we are going to say something about bird. How is the bird? So again we don't want to use a bird because it is second time. Then we want to write word the bird. The bird is hungry or something, anything like this. Okay, here bird is once we used here, then second time or next time we say about the bird. So we want to start with the. Okay, like this we use the before a particular thing or unique thing, such as the sun, the moon. Only one thing is there in the world. Okay, unique it is. Then the stars. Then we use the for rivers. The Ganga, the Yamuna river, like that. The Himalayas, holy books, the Quran, the Ramayana, the Bible, like this. Okay.
Children, now open your textbook and take page number 17. And now listen here. Put these words in the correct boxes. Okay, here are few words. And we have to write in the correct box. First one is a box and second one is an. Okay, now let us read the words. Head, ant, fox, owl, table, ice cream, eagle, boy, goat, ant. Once again, head, ant, fox, owl, table, ice cream, eagle, boy, goat, ant. Okay. Now, two have been done for you. Okay. Head. H is the first letter. It is consonant. And here A is the vowel sound. So, we have to use an. Now, next word is ant. Okay. Where do we want to write? Okay, that you write. Fox. Listen the first letter and understand that which one is consonant or vowel. Then you can write in the appropriate box. And here owl. Listen the first letter and write. Table. Like that, do this all. Okay, children? Now take page number 18B. Look at the words a, an, and the in these sentences. Tick the correct ones and cross the wrong ones. Okay. First one is done for you. What is that? He eats the egg for breakfast every morning. So here use the. So this sentence is, this article is wrong. Okay. Now second one, listen. Father told me a story last night. A story. So what is the first letter? S. S is a consonant. So this article is correct. Okay. Third one. We swam across an Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. Okay. So an used here. So this one is correct or wrong? Here little confusion, children, because I is vowel. So most of the children will understand what, first letter is vowel and this one is an. It is correct. But is this correct? No, not an Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean, we have learned in that video what this ocean's name. So what we want? The Indian Ocean. So it is wrong. Cross it. Understood? Fourth one. Maharashtra is a state. A state. Or Kerala is a state. Tamil Nadu is a state. Like that. Maharashtra is a state. So used here a. It is correct. Next. Sarah gave me an dash yellow dress. Sarah gave me an yellow dress. An yellow dress, is this correct? No, it is wrong. A yellow dress. Okay? Now, next one, see, complete these sentences with a, an or the. India is dash big country. What we want to use here? Big. What is the first letter? B. So, we want to write here a. Second one, Sharon is dash dancer. D. What do we want here? A. Next, where is dash bird? I can't see it. Where is a bird? I can't see it. It is not second time, first time only. If we repeat this bird again, we can use there the. Are you dash doctor? Are you a doctor? Dash principal gave away the prizes. The principal. The. Children, now listen D. Look at the picture. Complete the paragraph with a, an or the. This one I won't help you. You have to do yourself. So, I can understand whether you understood or not. Okay? Then, children, you have one more homework on page 21, writing part. Look this picture. Observe it very well. Write a paragraph describing what you see in this picture. Before writing, you observe it very carefully. What you can see in this picture that you want to write in a paragraph. And make sure you mention these all points should be there. What place this is, this picture, which place is this, what each person is doing, what flowers you see, who you see there, what vegetables you see, what else you can see in the garden. Now take next page. You can begin this way. This is a vegetable garden. This is a vegetable garden. Adil, Diya and mother are there in the garden. Like that something you can write. Okay. Write it here or in your notebook. Okay children. Thank you. Do your homework and send to me.